Ever wondered what's the secret to financial success? Well, one of the fundamental building blocks is budgeting. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your financial management, this video has got you covered. So what is a budget? Essentially, it's a financial plan that showcases your income and expenses. It's a powerful tool that aids in money management, future savings, and staying aligned with your financial aspirations. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Step 1, calculate your income. This isn't just your salary, but also other sources of income like side gigs, investments, and any regular inflow of money. Moving on to step 2, list your expenses. These include all your regular bills like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and any other recurring expenses. While listing, remember, expenses can be fixed or variable. Fixed expenses like your rent remain the same each month. Variable expenses such as dining out or entertainment can fluctuate. Step 3 is all about organization. Create categories for your expenses like housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and savings. This will simplify the tracking of your spending. Step 4, set your financial goals. Align your budget with your financial objectives. Whether it's clearing off debt, saving for a vacation, or investing for the future, having set goals will fuel your motivation. Next, step 5, allocate your funds. Distribute your income to cover your expenses and meet your financial goals. Ensure you allocate enough to each category to cover your necessities. Finally, step 6, track and adjust. Regularly review your budget to ensure you're staying on track. If you find yourself overspending in one category, cut back in another to balance it out. And there you have it. Budgeting doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these 6 basic steps, you'll have a clear financial plan to guide your spending and savings. It's all about taking control of your money and working towards your financial goals. If this video was helpful, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop any questions or comments below. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.